Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is your natural nail guru Tati, and today we have another amazing review. So a few weeks ago, I got sent out some colors for this brand called Imethod Beauty. It was just gel polish colors, so we did a quick little first impression and swatch of their product, and it was really, really nice. And they were so kind as to send me one of their full kits so that we can do a full-on review. So we're talking not just first impressions on their base coat, matte top coat, regular top coat. We're looking at the swatches for all the colors that they have in the box. And then the most important part, we're checking out to see how this product wears after a few weeks of wear. So before we get into those first impressions and the overall wear, if you want to be up to date with the most thorough nail product reviews, as well as get all the tips that are going to help improve the health of your natural nails, get them growing, get those manicures lasting longer than ever, you know what to do. Make sure you're subscribed, get those notifications on, and share. Let's not waste any more time and get to this unboxing and swatches. So here we have their package, classic and exclusive. This is Imethod Beauty Gel Polish Set. It is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, 9-free, which means that it is free of 9 toxins or chemicals that are found in gel polish normally. Longer wear, we're gonna see about that after we get our review one and done. And yeah, packaging is pretty simple, really cute. Nice little colorful butterfly. Pretty similar to what we're used to when we do like the Beatles review or kits, even Castany gel, a little similar to that. Let's get this opened up and see what's inside. So we have a little discount card, buy one, get one free. We have instruction manuals, which is really great. It even gives you curing times for LED and UV. That's really nice, a little different. I haven't really seen that on any of the other kits. But you have a little application guide as to where you put your polish down. This is actually really nice. You start a little bit below, you push up. Wow, that's really awesome, I love that. And then right over here, we have FAQs. Oh, look at that. Why does my polish change sometimes after a few days? Wow, this is actually really, really great. And I am assuming, oh yeah, for all occasions, these are the colors that are included. Really, really nice. Okay, let's check this out. So it looks like everything's packaged really nice and tightly. We have, let's see, 10 milliliter bottles of their top coat, base coat, matte top coat, which is really great because 10 ml isn't totally full size, but it's definitely bigger than a half size bottle. And their colors are 8 milliliters. I really like the shape of this bottle, it's different. It feels comfortable. We'll see once we do first impression and start polishing with it. So they do they do numbers, not names, which is more common. See the numbers. And how many, does it say how many colors are in here? No, it does not. Let's see, that's 3, that's 6, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it comes with 15 colors, and then you have your base, your top, and your matte. Let's get a quick little look over here, what we're looking at. Okay, nice little sneak peek. We're gonna get to the swatches in just a moment, but overall super basic packaging. Box is a little coming apart there, a little loose, but no big deal. Everything came packaged really nicely. Nothing was damaged. The cushion definitely keeps everything from moving around, keeps everything really nice in place. So nothing special, really simple to the point, nicely packed, nice and neat. So really cute, simple setup. All the bottles are nicely protected in there. The bottles, nothing fancy, but it looks very practical. Now let's get into swatching all of these colors and getting a matte look at those colors as well so we can see what we're working with in this collection. All right, so we're gonna be starting off with the first number 101. It's looking like a nice green. Ooh. That is a very nice green. I love green tones. Let me see. It has a very light smell. Doesn't really smell like anything. Oh my goodness. Look at that coverage. The polish definitely feels very, very smooth. As you could see, look how beautiful that applies. And this is a clear nail, so you're really able to see sheerness when it's a sheer color, but that's one coat. That looks beautiful. Went on really nicely. I'm liking the consistency. First impression so far. Let's get a second coat and finish this one up. So here we have it, 2 coats. It is a gorgeous color. The application is beautiful. 2 coats definitely gives you the coverage that you need. I love this color. This is beautiful. Let's move on to the next. Next up, we have number 103, looking red. Ooh, really nice. Really nice red. Oh my gosh. This is like the perfect lipstick red right here. Look at this. Beautiful color, but look at this one coat. I mean, honestly, you can't even really tell it needs a second coat. This is beautiful. Let's finish this one up. 103, 2 coats, beautiful color, beautiful consistency, 3 to 3 on that. Really happy with that. Let's go to the next one. 105 is looking pink, a little purpley pink, yes. A little purpley pink. You can never have too many shades of pink. That's cute. Oh, look at that. First stroke. So nice. And it just feels so smooth. I really do like the way that they're brushes because it has just enough, I guess, give. It's not too stiff, but it is such a pleasure polishing with it. It feels so smooth. It brushes on the polish really, really good. Another great 1 coat coverage. Really nice. Let's finish this one up. So 105, 2 coats, beautiful pink, beautiful coverage, really good consistency. It's a win on this one. Let's move on to the next. We got 107. This is looking like your classic black polish. Nope, I was wrong. It is dark blue. How did I get black from that? Maybe I'm a little colorblind. All right, this one is, ooh, a dark blue. This is what I call a rich color. It's dark, but still has some vibrance. Gorgeous blue. This one's really, really nice. Lovely dark color. Let's finish this one up. So here we have 2 coats of the dark blue. It is a gorgeous color. Definitely gives me holidays over you vibes, but a little bit more blue. This one's gorgeous. I love this. All right, let's check out the next one. Next up, 110. This is looking a brownish, maybe? Oh, that is a beautiful color. Beautiful. Let's get this on the swatch. Look at that. Look at that coverage. Beautiful color. Wow, I'm obsessed with this color. I need to use this color. This is gorgeous. Let's get a second coat on it. There we go, 2 coats. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I love it. And like magic, the rest of the colors are swatched. Just for the sake of time, I went ahead and just finished swatching the rest of these off camera because we still have reviews to go over. One thing I do want to say, consistency of the polishes were consistent throughout. All of the colors swatched just as beautifully as the one that you guys saw. First coat coverage was really, really on point. That brush really is just an amazing applicator brush. Let me tell you, you can notice the difference when it comes to any kind of brush, any kind of painter, whether it's nails or regular paint, the brush makes such a difference. But here we go with the rest of the swatches, the colors. Look at this silver and gold. That glitter is absolutely gorgeous. It just sparkles. And then this orange at the end was kind of an oddball thrown in there, but hey, it's a really, really cute color. We love all colors all year round over here in Miami. I am obsessed with this brown one right here. That one's gorgeous, this green. But looking at them shiny isn't the only thing you get. We want to see what these look like matte. So, there we go. It's sorcery. Look how beautiful. Even the silver and the gold, look how beautiful that looks matted out. I love matting out really fine glitters and shimmers and pearlescent colors because it almost feels like it gives it texture. But look at how beautiful these matte colors are. So whether you like it shiny or you like it matte, these colors are gorgeous. They brushed on really, really well. So definitely overall first impressions of the consistency of the colors and everything is really, really good. But we have more to review for this product, so let's get to it. So now we see what's in the kit. We see all these beautiful colors swatched, lovely consistency, great coverage just on the first coat for most of those colors. So definitely looking really, really nice. Now let's get into the best part of all. Let's polish these nails with the product. Let's go over the first impressions and let's see how those manicures are looking on day one. So here we go, nails prepped, ready to go. We're gonna start with their base coat. Normal applicator brush, here we go. Has a scent. I wouldn't say it's like strong, but it's a scent. Let's make sure, okay, good. Nice consistency. You really only need a thin coat. The brush is really nice. Even though it's a long bristle, it has a good firmness to it, so you can get a really nice thin coat application. Really nice smooth application overall. There's no runniness in the cuticle line. Really nice. Let's get that cured. Okay, so we have it cured. I went ahead and picked out a couple colors from their collection. The black, that really nice creamy color, the gold, the green, I may or may not use, I don't know. But I'm gonna do something a little funky, and yeah, I need to get these touched up so we can go ahead and get that top coat on there. One moment. Whew. Sorry for the mess in the background, but you guys, I went in. I used a little bit of chrome powder, but everything else, and this year was my own, but everything else was done using their gel polish. Now, I only need to apply top coat to a few nails. Well, actually, this one I already did it, and then I realized I was supposed to record this part for you guys. But we're gonna go ahead and do the last two nails. So I have the top coat here. Let me actually smell this. Okay, the smell's kind of the same as the others. Not pleasant, I guess you could say, and not that strong. Their applicator brush, similar to the base. And let's go ahead and polish. Ooh, that goes on very nicely. With the glitter, it's really hard to see it, but it brushed on really, really nice. Let's go ahead and do the pinky and make it a good position. Oh, too much. Really, really nice. Brushes on really, really nice and smooth. A pretty consistent consistency with most gel top coats. Let's go ahead and get that cured. And there we go. Look at this super, super cute Halloween manicure. What do you guys think? Really awesome. I was really experimenting with this. I think I could still do better, but that is so cool. Now I just have to repeat it all on this hand, but one moment. And there we go. Look how cute this manicure came out. It was totally experimental doing these two right here. Could have been better, but for a first time, not too bad. Overall first impressions, really great. Consistency was really, really nice. Even though the block polish was not as thick as I normally would like, I was still able to get some really, really clean lines for my spider webs. That's black base. If you guys want to see a little fast forward of me doing my nails, I'll probably post it on my Instagram if you want to check it out. But wow, this was super fun. I got a really cute manicure out of it, and overall first impressions really on point. But what's most important and what we want to see is how long and how well does this manicure and this product wear. Let's check that out. I went a little crazy with the Halloween manicure, but it was super, super cute. Now I had myself did another manicure that I wore for 2 weeks with this product, as well as had one of my other clients testing it out. So let's check that out. I did this lovely manicure where I went ahead and tested out their glossy and their matte top coat. Now, of course, I have one hand with Imethod Beauty and the other hand with my normal gel polish, gelish, and my Wildflowers matte top coat. So you can definitely tell on day one that the Imethod Beauty matte top coat is not as matte as the Wildflowers. The gloss is pretty much the same. I have a little oil on there, but please disregard. Aside from the matte top coat not being so matte, overall the manicure is looking really, really nice on the first day. And then I also have my lovely and amazing client Luisa, who is checking out their glossy manicure. We have one hand with the Imethod Beauty and her left hand with our trusty Gelish. How cute was this manicure? Super adorable. So we wore these manicures out 2 to 3 weeks. Let's see how the manicure looked after a couple of weeks of wear. All right, so here we go. This is about 3 weeks. So this was Imethod Gel Beauty. This is my usual Gelish. When we first did it, the matte didn't look as matte as the Wildflowers. However, I noticed that after a few days, when the matte starts wearing down, it definitely ends a little bit more matte than the Wildflowers, because the Wildflowers and many matte top coats, after a little bit of using it, it starts kind of getting a dull shine. I have like some glue and stuff on my nails. Guys, my nails go through some stuff. So all that dullness is because that's the finger that I'm always pumping the acetone and alcohol with. And this nail right here usually gets pretty chomped up because I'm always filing nails. So I'll mess up the side here and here, but let me tell you, man, there's barely no wearing around the edges. And that is all me. You can see all my filing marks that are on there, some glue that's on there. I don't know what else is on these nails, but it definitely lasted. As far as shine, the glossy on this hand is a little bit more glossy, but this is also the hand that I'm constantly putting in acetone and alcohol. So you know, I'll give it a little bit, but it's kind of about the same actually. And then the matte top coat, although the Wildflowers was way more matte than this one on the first look, they both end up looking about the same once the matte kind of wears off a little bit. They look about the same. But overall did it really, really well. Good job, 3 weeks. So here we have 2 weeks of wear. This was the Imethod Beauty and our traditional handy dandy Gelish. We have no chips on any of the hands. Let me see your thumbs. Thumbs are looking perfect. Look how beautiful that growth is. We have, let's check out the wearing on the tips. No wearing on either one. The shine looks pretty much the same. The shine looks pretty much the same. Really good, durable. I don't see any cracks on the tips, so we weren't bending nails. Beautiful wear after 2 weeks. So overall, really incredible first impression. This brand delivered on consistency, it delivered on the overall wear, and go figure, the matte top coat wasn't that matte on day one, but it pretty much maintained its matteness throughout and ended up being just as matte, if not more matte, than my Wildflowers top coat. So overall did really, really well. The wear was really, really awesome. And keep in mind, I am the nail artist in here. I do a lot of stuff besides just what's going on in the shop. I'm constantly using my hands, constantly buffing. I'm in alcohol and acetone all day long. So it just really, really nicely for me to see a product that is affordable, that is accessible to anyone out there, not just licensed professionals, but that still delivers and has the potential to deliver such a great long-lasting manicure as with products that are a little bit more on the higher end or higher up on the popularity ranking. But overall, Imethod Beauty, you guys definitely nailed it. It was lovely. Thank you so much for sending out. Now I do have some other products of theirs that I'm gonna be trying out. They have some chrome patterns, some stickers that they sent out, some foil glue, so that's gonna be in a separate video. But with all that said, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Imethod Beauty, I'll make sure to link their link on Amazon down below. If anyone has any questions on the product, its wear, or anything regarding it or any other brand, please make sure to comment down below. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in, for subscribing, getting those notifications on. I appreciate you, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.